Hey there and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to cover the fourth exercise of the 100 days of code with Harry Python course, right? So uh, we have to write a Python program to translate a message into secret code language. Use the rules below to translate normal English to secret code language. Coding. If the word contains at least three characters, remove the first letter and append it at the end. Now append three random characters at the starting and the end else. Simply reverse the string. Now decoding. If the word contains less than three characters, reverse it, else remove three random characters from the start and end. Now remove the last letter and append it to the beginning. Your program should ask whether you want to code or decode. So to execute this Python program, we'll have to import this sys module. You don't really need to install it because it's a built-in module in Python, right? Then you need to import random, which is not a built-in module. So you have to open your command prompt and type pip install random to use this random module, right? Well, I'm not although sure you have to write this random to or not, but most probably yes. Yes, you can see random module. Okay, so now let's get back to the code. Now we're going to take an input from the user. As you can see, input, enter the value. Then we are going to split that with space, right? Then we are going to ask the user whether he/she wants to code or decode the value. So if coding is 1, right, in string format, then coding is equal to 2, and if coding is 0, then coding is equal to false. Else we're going to print wait and then sys.exit 1 to 3. This else because if user inputs any other number except 1 or 0, then the program will be exited, right? So okay, after that, if coding is equal to true, right, then we're going to create an empty list named nwords. Then for word in words, if length of word is more than or equal to 3, then what we're going to do is that we're going to make two variables and insert some random words, right? Then what we're going to do is that stnew.randomChoice r1, right? So what this random.choice basically does is that you can understand that with this example, as you can see, fruit is equal to apple. Then I have this variable named f1 which has three random three letter words, right? So after that, random fruit is equal to random.choice f1 plus fruit. So what this random fruit is equal to, this basically this seventh line of code will do is that firstly it will take any one value among these three values, then it's going to add the fruit apple after that. Let me run this program and show you to guys. As you can see, OPS apple, so it has taken the third one, right? Let me again run this program. As you can see, this time it has taken this POI, right? So I hope you understood how this random.choice works. Okay, after that we're going to take the first index of the word until the word ends. Then we're going to take the first letter of the word, right, the zero index of the word. Then again we're going to do this random.choice thing, but this time not r1 but r2, right? Now after that we're going to append the stnew in this uh, empty string. Okay, so now else. Okay, so if len of word is not more than or equal to 3, basically reverse the word, right? what this does is that it basically reverses the word, right? So let me show you an example. Let's write higher. As you can see, ERIH. So this as you can see dot append, this is basically used to reverse any word, right? So now we're going to print dot join, and what's this dot join is used to change the list value to a string variable, not variable value, right? Okay. If coding is equal to true, then we're going to execute this program. Else, if coding is equal to false, then again we're going to create an empty list. Then for word and words, if len of word is more than or equal to 3, so now we are basically going to reverse this, right? So for that, um, let me explain what I did right here. So as you can see, if the value of st new is this word 1234, and if we do this, right, we're going to see that the last letter is now at the starting, and the other letters are at the end, right? So that's exactly what is this going to do, right? As it's the reverse of what we did right here. This is I guess doing to it this is going to remove this random dot choice r1 and random dot choice r2. Then if len of word is more than or equal to 3, the program is going to execute these 3 lines of code. And if not, if the length of word is not more than or equal to 3, we are basically going to reverse the word, right? So this is used to basically reverse, as I probably showed you, right? So we'll reverse the two-lettered word, right? Then we are going to change the n word from a list value to a string value, right? And the program is now completed. Let me run this program and show it to you guys. So okay, enter the value. Let's enter hire me, right? Let's first code this value. Okay, this is the coded version of hire me. Now let's again run this program, and okay, we've copied this coded version of hire me and pasted it right here. Okay, then let's decode this value now, and as you can see, hire me. So this program is absolutely working very fine. You can even further customize this code. You can probably add a while true loop. So yeah, I hope you understood this piece of code. This code will be in the description. If you want, you can basically get that code, right? If you want to work with me, I'm free to do any freelance work. Check the description of this video. Every detail of me is in the description. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.